What do you think about sound spices and flavors separated from their radiant, astounding flavors? They are exceptional, flexible, vivid, and sweet-smelling. Spices and flavors are without a doubt the main fixings known to mankind. They have been utilized for quite a long time to enhance our dishes and plans. From the most seasoned known utilization of flavors like turmeric to solid spices like savvy, these regular marvels are a vital part of our day-by-day experience nowadays. In any case, these solid spices and flavors are something other than specialists of flavor and shading. They hold more potential as far as well-being properties than prior anticipated. With current science assuming its part in learning about the significant advantages of resistant-boosting spices and flavors in the field of medication and treatment, the world is presently more careful about their forces. Top 5 immune-boosting herbs and spices. With our lives moving at a super-quick speed nowadays, our well-being is continually on the line. Absence of a decent eating routine and exercise can frequently prompt a debilitated insusceptible framework, and it can lethal whenever left unchecked. That is the place where these invulnerable boosting spices and flavors come into the quarrel. Despite the fact that their importance must be discovered throughout an impressive time frame and customary utilization, that doesn't mean they stop to enhance the necessary nourishment that is required to support your resistance. Here are 5 of the best spices and flavors for resistance. 1. Turmeric. Referred to all through the world as the golden spice or golden dirt, turmeric has been utilized as a kitchen flavor for millennia. Profoundly worshipped for its dynamic tone, smell, and flavor, this present zest's adaptability surpasses a long way past being a kitchen topping. Curcumin is the main part present in turmeric. Aside from being known as the shading specialist, which gives turmeric its yellow tone, this intense dynamic compound is answerable for a large portion of the medical advantages related to this zest. Cancer prevention agents are amazingly useful in killing free revolutionaries from the body. Free revolutionaries are oxygen-containing atoms with a lopsided number of electrons. The lopsided number permits them to effectively respond with different atoms, bringing about the event of numerous sicknesses in the body because of oxidative pressure. Turmeric ends up being advantageous in boosting cell reinforcement limit, which thus supports invulnerability radically. There are numerous manners by which you can support your insusceptibility with turmeric. 2. Ginger. There could be no other flavor as powerful as ginger, that is without a doubt. This adored kitchen zest has been utilized in dishes and plans for a very long time. It's amazingly fragrant and conveys a serious punch to your plans, whether you join it into your curries and sauces or your teas. Ginger is known to have an exceptionally high gingerol content, a substance compound which is answerable for all the well-being properties of ginger. This is known to have incredible cell reinforcement and mitigating properties, which helps in boosting insusceptibility. 3. Lemongrass. In the event that you've at any point known about lemongrass tea, you should certainly know the advantages which makes this spice perhaps the most sound spices out there. Simbapogon, as it is logically known, lemongrass is a force to be reckoned with of medical advantages like antifungal, antibacterial, cell reinforcement, and calming properties. These properties out and out represent the general invulnerability boosting properties of lemongrass. 4. Gotu Kola. Centella asiatica or Gotu Kola is a herbaceous, enduring plant from the Apiaceae group of blossoming plants. It is profoundly venerated in the Ayurvedic medication world for its advantageous well-being properties. Aside from its detoxing and mending properties, Gotu Kola is likewise a brilliant invulnerability supporter. Having a tea mix with Gotu Kola regular builds your cancer prevention agent and calming limit in this manner, shielding your body from infirmities and illnesses. 5. Szechuan Pepper. Known for its mouth-shivering and sweet-smelling aroma, Szechuan peppercorns contains various supplements, minerals, and cancer prevention agents that are needed by the body to work appropriately. Szechuan pepper can animate the invulnerable framework, to lessen torment, help crave, increment blood flow, fortify bones, and decrease irritation. Spices and spices for a healthy life. It is unquestionably high time that we resort to nature's abundance in the mission of achieving a productive and solid way of life. Also, What preferable approach to do that over through these sound spices and flavors? There are a few other sound spices and flavors out there that accomplish a similar wanted impact. However, one thing we ought to consistently remember is the way that the homegrown way sets aside some effort to show the outcomes that we need to see. Yet, that shouldn't stop us. Would it be a good idea for it to?